Hello friends, welcome to JQuery tutorial. In this sub-series, we are going to see how to perform DOM manipulation using the JQuery. Till now, we modified the display of the HTML using the CSS styles. Using jQuery, we can modify the document itself by accessing the DOM tree. Right? So, we did modification to the HTML by changing the CSS style in our past sub-series, and you saw some visual change in the document. So it's also possible to completely change the HTML element itself or make modification to the HTML element by accessing the DOM tree and manipulating it. When we alter the DOM, we can create new element in the HTML. That means you are going to add a new element to the DOM tree. So when new HTML element is added, so that will get reflected in the document, right? HTML document is a collection of HTML tags arranged in a formatted way. Transform the HTML document by changing the attributes of the HTML. So here we are talking about create new element, and here in this case we are talking about changing the attributes. A HTML tag can have multiple attributes. Previously we saw adding the attributes, say for example class attributes and other attributes. Here also in the DOM manipulation also you can change the attributes. Remove elements or move it from one location to other element location. So that's also can be performed by using the DOM tree manipulation. You can remove or you can move a HTML element. So existing element you can remove, or you can take an element from one position and place it in a different location. Modify the content of the element. So if you see, we can perform all the DOM tree manipulation. We can create, we can remove, modify, move, all those stuff we can perform by doing the DOM tree manipulation. So DOM tree manipulation is allowed in JavaScript itself, but jQuery provides some easily accessible methods, and using that you can perform DOM manipulation easily. When you perform DOM manipulation easily, it will get reflected in the HTML when the browser renders it, right? User will see a visual change in the document. In the background, through jQuery, we are making the modification by manipulating the DOM. There is no demo in here, and in this sub-series we are going to see how we can perform DOM manipulation and how we can achieve the required task by doing the manipulation. And here you will learn some of the frequently used methods to perform DOM tree manipulation. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.